Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Srinivas Education. This is this channel. First, we started this channel to give the education to all the people who are studying the inter and who are preparing for the Eamcet or JEE. Who are preparing for the Eamcet or JEE, we are providing the classes and coaching classes from today. Please watch our classes. Today's first we are starting the maths topic, complex numbers topic. Complex numbers. First, complex numbers means the numbers. Let us consider x square x square plus 1 is equals to 0. Here x square is equals to minus 1. Then x is equals to under root of minus 1. That is equals to I. Here under root of minus I is equals to I. Iota means I means iota. Root of minus 1 is equals to imaginary part. This is imaginary part. Okay, this is the introduction part only. Note x square is equals to minus 1. Therefore, I square is equals to minus 1. Okay, I square is equals to minus 1. Here I value is equals to under root of minus 1. Okay, here integral power of I we know that I square is equals to minus 1. Then now I cube is equals to I square into I, that is equals to minus I. Then I power 4 is equals to I square into I, that is equals to minus I into minus 1 into minus 1, that is equals to 1. I power 5, that is equals to I power 4 into I, that is equals to I. I power 6, that is equals to I power 5 into I, is equals to I into I. I into I square is equals to minus 1. These are the values. Here the sum of I power 2 plus I power 3 plus I power 4 plus I power 5 is equals to 0. How can you say this value means? Here I square value is equals to minus 1 plus of minus I cube values. I power 4 values plus 1. Then I power 5 value is minus plus I, that is equals to plus I minus I cancel and plus 1 minus 1 cancel, that is equals to 0. Sum of these numbers is equals to 0. Okay, and here I power 2020 plus I power 2021 plus I power 2022 plus I power 2023 is equals to 0, because sum of the any consecutive numbers is equals to 0. Here 2020 and 2021 and 2022 2023 is equals to 0. Sum of the consecutive numbers. Here how to find the value of I power n where n belongs to n. Here shortcuts methods. Step 1 is divide n by 4. Then step 2 is let remainder be r. Step 3 is I power n is equals to I power r whose 0, 1, 2, 3, then I power 0 is equals to 1, I power 1 is equals to I then I square is equals to -1 and I power 3 is equals to minus I. These are the values. Here I will give one example. Example 1. The value of I 320 is equals to dash. How to do this? How to do this means by using the shortcut methods, first step and second step and third step. Let us do this. Okay. What is the value? I power 320. 320 divided, first step is divided by 4, that is equals to 4 8s are 32 and 4 80s are 320 is equals to 0. Remainder 0 means let remainder be r. And I power n is equals to I power r, that is equals to I power 320 is equals to I power 0. I power 0, any the variable number power 0 is equals to 1. So I power 320 is equals to 1. I power 320 is equals to 1. Here the problems are there. Here example 2, find the value of I power 2019, that is equals to dash. 4 divided by 2019, that is equals to 54. 5 4s are 20 and here 19 and 4 4s are 16. How much remaining? 3 remaining. Remainder 3. Here r is equals to 3. Here we do this like I power n is equals to I power r, then I power 2019 is equals to I power 3. I power 3 value, I power 1 value is equals to I power 1 value is equals to here I power 3 value is equals to minus I square is equals to -1. I power 1 is equals to I. Okay, I power 3, I power 4, I power 5, I power 6. Here we have this I values. I power 0 is equals to 1, I power 1 is equals to 1. Yeah, that. Here I power 3 is equals to minus I. Okay, here I will give some questions. Please comment in our comment section. Example questions. First question, I power 243. Second question, I power 355. And third question, how you learned, you have understand your capacity also. Just do this. And fourth one, I power 2018. And fifth one, I power 4485. And sixth one, I power 495. Okay, these are the questions. Answer in comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please answer this question, how your capacity, how you understand that capacity you understand here. These 6 questions I just gave just 6 questions here. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Srinivas Education.